What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Thanksgiving week, happy Black Friday week, happy Cyber Monday week. As we all know guys, this is a fantastic time of the year to get amazing deals, either for personal or to buy as gifts. And I put together a curated selection from Maxshine. I have a great working relationship with those guys, and they reached out to me and said, hey, whatever you want to do, whatever kind of kit you want to put together for your viewers, for the people that you think would benefit from this, let us know what you want to put in there and we'll get it done. So here it is guys. I'm super excited. I want to thank everyone at Maxshine for allowing me to do this. Basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be walking you through a whole wash process. I have my 1969 Ford Fairlane right here. We'll be doing a wash on that, so I'll add in some footage of me actually using the products. But basically what I wanted to do with this kit is I wanted to curate something so that you can wash and maintain your vehicle the best way possible. Guys, really quick, for this kit, it's currently it's basically $190 worth of value here. It's currently on sale on their Black Friday list, and it's down to 120-ish bucks, something like that. And then if you use my code, I'm JoshV15, on top of that, you're gonna get another 15% off. Brings it down to about 105 bucks or approximately 45% off. Fantastic deal, let's jump into it. So guys, let's go ahead and start this off, right? Number one, right, when we start washing our car, we need to prep. So we get our bucket ready, fill it up with water, we need to add a little bit of soap. What soap do we have? None other than Maxshine's Ultra Foaming Wash. Now this product, guys, I did a whole best soaps for foam cannons and the best foaming soaps video. I'll link that down in the description for you guys. It's actually 4 parts, but it'll be down in the description so you guys can take a deeper dive into it. And this was an absolute top performing soap. It actually performed just as well as the Winner. It was like, it foamed just as well. The Winner was Adam's Mega Foam, but again, this stuff performed just as well. The only downside that I had to it is that it's not available in larger quantities, as far as like a gallon size. But with this deal, guys, you're gonna be getting 45% off this kit. So this brings this down into an absolute amazing value. And a great opportunity for you guys to test this out because this stuff is absolutely amazing. So first things, 16 ounces of Ultra Foaming Wash. We've got our bucket filled. Next thing we need to do is prep our foam cannon. And in this kit, we have Maxshine's Snowmaster foam cannon. Again, I did a whole review on this thing. Fantastic performing foam cannon. Really good quality. All the components on this thing were really good. Let's go ahead and pop this open real quick. I will have the whole review linked down in the description for you guys so you can look at it there too. Nice large solution tank, silicone-based straw. So some of the other ones are plastic from some of the other companies. This one's silicone-based, so it's super flexible. So it does a good job of staying in your solution while you're using it. The head of the unit is just a really nice construction. You have your little water and foam adjustment here. Tighten that down all the way to the right to get the most foam. You have your angle adjustment between basically 0 and about 45-degree angle of soap when you're spraying. It's just a really great little foam cannon. And yeah, as far as construction goes, I really love the fact that it is plastic on plastic. Now, guys, they do have a less expensive version, which is great as well. It's just that it's brass on plastic, meaning you can strip out the threads when you're tightening it down. This one's plastic on plastic. It's a wide open bottle, so you can fill your solution really easy. Wider bottom, so you can stand it up. Just a fantastic foam cannon. So you get that, and while you're using that, guys, you will take your Ultra Foaming Wash again. Now, when I'm just filling up my bucket, I do 1 ounce for my bucket. For the foam cannon, you do 2 ounces in there, the rest up with water, and you're off to the races. You're good to go. From there, rinse off the car, foam the car up, right? So let that dwell a little bit. Then we take our microfiber wash mitt right here from Maxshine. Now with this wash mitt, it is a mitt, right? Meaning you can put your hand in it. There's a slight seam down the middle, which allows you to kind of control it a little bit better. Really getting into everything that you need to get into. So fantastic choice here. If you've seen my other videos, you guys know that I typically like to use either a wash pad or just microfibers. When I use a wash mitt though, this is a fantastic choice. The reason I included this is because you can put your hand in it. I know a lot of people prefer that. And when you want to use it as just a wash pad, you just open it up, push that little collar in, and there you go. You're good to go. Nothing to abrade, nothing to mar your paintwork. Just works as a pad and does a fantastic job. So we're good to go there. From there, we need to adjust our wheels and tires, right? So we take our tire brush, you agitate the tires, get all that dirt and all that kind of stuff that's embedded in the tire out of it. Then we have this is a wheel and engine compartment brush. So I included this one. It's not great for the face of the wheel. The reason I don't like to use it for the face of the wheel is the bristles are just slightly too stiff for it. So I personally love to use this for the barrel of the wheel, all behind the spokes, to get that really, really detailed look. It is on a metal component on the inside, so you can bend it, okay? Really get behind everything. And also, guys, when you're doing your engine compartments, load it up with a little bit of degreaser, get in there, agitate with this, does a fantastic job. Okay, so guys, car's all washed and prepped now, right? Everything's removed from the paintwork, from the wheels, tires, all that kind of good stuff. We've rinsed the vehicle back down. What do we do now? Dry the vehicle, of course. And we included in this kit, guys, my personal favorite drying towel so far. I did just buy a whole bunch of drying towels from a bunch of different brands. We have twist loop drying towels, just plush microfiber towels, waffle weave drying towels, the whole gamut. And so far, guys, this one is my favorite. I will be doing a whole video on that, so make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss that coming up. But this is the towel that we have included. This is the Purple Duo Twisted Drying Towel. Really, really nice towel, guys. And this one is 20 inches by 24 inches. So a nice, big, oversized towel. They do have a larger sized one as well. However, I wanted to include this one in the kit because in my personal experience, the larger ones, although they're nice and do a fantastic job, they get kind of heavy, right? So as these things hold so much water, they just get kind of heavy. And especially when you're going down the sides of the vehicle, sometimes the bigger ones will hang onto the floor and you don't want that because then you're gonna pick up dirt and spread that onto the vehicle. So I like this one. It's just a good manageable size, really, really fantastic towel. Does an amazing job of drying your vehicle. So again, I'm gonna be showing some footage of me using it. It's really, really easy to use. You basically just flop it onto the paint, pull it dry, flip it over, pull it dry, does an amazing job. All right, guys, so now we're all clean. The vehicle's all clean, all dried up. What do we wanna do now? We wanna protect. So we've included Maxshine's Wild Cherry Speed Wax. This is one of the easiest ways to wax your vehicle. Now, as you guys know, I also do love the ceramic detail spray from Technician's Choice, but this is an absolutely fantastic choice as well. And again, it's included in your kit, so why not, man? This stuff's really good. Basically, what I'll do is I'll take it and I'll apply it using a microfiber towel. And I will be using this one here, 800 GSM, nice silk-lined edges. It does come with a tag on it, which is silk as well. You can leave that on there if you want. Personally, I like to rip them off. So basically, you just grab it, comes right out. It leaves a nice clean edge. Never knew that the label was there. I just like to remove any labels just to reduce any chance of marring on the paintwork of a vehicle. So basically what I'll do now, the vehicle's clean. One spritz onto a panel, one spritz onto my towel, rub it in, flip it over, buff it out. Your paint's protected. It's leaving a nice gloss. It's leaving hydrophobic properties and protection against sun, bird droppings, all that kind of good stuff. This stuff is amazing. I really, really like it, and included in your kit. Now, we are at the next step. Our vehicle is completely clean and protected. So what do we want to do now? We want to go onto our tires. Let's dress those babies up. That's, for me, it's like, you can do like a half wash, right? Just do a basic rinse, but as long as your wheels and tires look good, it makes the rest of the car look good. And having a good tire shine is essential in that. So what we've included in the kit, we've got a 4-pack of Maxshine's tire foam applicators, and we have Maxshine's Tire Shine. Now, I've actually been playing with this, using this stuff. That's why I included it in the kit, because it actually does an amazing job. It lasts a long time, smells good while you're using it. You work it in, obviously, like with any tire shine, you want to make sure you work it in so you're not getting any sling, but this stuff goes on really, really well. You rub it in, make sure you're not going to have any leftover stuff when you drive away that's going to fling off. Does an amazing job, leaves a great amount of protection on your tire. It lasts a good amount of time. Really great product. Now guys, last but not least, we have the windows of the car. Nobody likes streaky windows. Now, I will say using this, the purple drying towel really helps because you're absorbing most of the water off. It's not leaving a lot of streaking behind anyway. Fantastic. However, many of you know, if you watch my other videos, that typically when I do windows, 99% of the time, I'm just using water. I'll just use water and a microfiber towel. I'll load up one microfiber towel, wipe the window down, take my other one. This one's fantastic. It's a 500 GSM edgeless towel, really great. And I'll buff it with using this with the light hand, buff it out. We get a nice streak-free finish. However, on the occasion where I do need a product on the windows, or for all of you that do like to use products on your windows, I have included Maxshine's glass cleaner. The reason I like this stuff, guys, is it's completely safe for tinted windows, navigation screens, all that kind of good stuff. Now, if you have a Tesla, they recommend like not using anything on it. On a Tesla, you can put it into screen clean mode. Typically with that, just to be safe, I do like to use just a tiny bit of a moist microfiber towel, just a quick wipe and then dry it off. But you can use this stuff. It is safe on all navigation screens, all that kind of good stuff. Also, the reason I do like to use this on occasion is it does leave a little bit of protection behind, a thin layer of protection on your windows. So guys, we're in the winter time, right? And it rains a lot. Not so much here in Southern California, but for a lot of other people, obviously a lot of you watching, it rains. So what this stuff does is it helps all of the water continue to bead on the glass as you're driving. You don't have to use your windshield wipers as much. Everything kind of just stays nice and clear. So it's a great option for that. All right, guys, so that's it. Car's all clean, everything's protected, everything's good to go. This is the kit that we have curated for you guys. Like I said, about $190 worth of value, down to about 105 bucks. It's like 45% off. Fantastic little kit. Couldn't recommend it enough. Now, one other thing, guys, if you want to take your detailing to the next level, especially for the at-home person, or if you're looking to buy something as a gift for someone, for the car enthusiast in your family, definitely get this, but then also check out the Maxshine's M8S Polisher bundle. So I did a whole review on this thing. It's an incredible deal. So basically what it is you get the Maxshine M8S, this little polisher here. It's 8mm throw, fantastic dual action polisher. You don't have to worry about leaving a bunch of holograms in the paint because it's dual action. You don't have to worry about burning the paint, again, because it's dual action. It doesn't create a lot of heat. You get a nice vented backing plate anyway. So this is fantastic. When you buy it in the bundle, this polisher itself is normally $89, $89.99. If you buy it in the bundle, you get the polisher plus some pads and some microfiber towels for the same price. So already fantastic deal. But then if you use my code, I'm JoshV15 on top of that, then you get this thing down to like 76 bucks or something like that. Now, when you combine this with the 45% off of this kit, you get everything you need to wash and maintain your car, plus polishing for under 200 bucks. Incredible value, it's free shipping, and it's just an insane value. So guys, again, if you're looking for stuff for yourself at an amazing deal, or if you're looking to get a gift for the car enthusiast in your life, this is the way to do it. Either just this, or my recommendation, both, because then they're covered, they have everything they need. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Got a bunch of good ones coming up. So that's it. Again, guys, everyone have a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you on the next one.